is the i5 9600K a good substitute? It's got 2 less cores, but will I honestly know the difference for the dollar? It's totally up to you. There's nothing wrong with an i5. It's a question of what do you want to spend and what are your expectations going to be? I just upgraded my computer in my back office, and since September of 2018, for 2 years, I've been running an i5 8400. Now, that's slower than the i5 you're talking about, and it suited me just fine. I have since bumped to an i7 9700K. It is noticeably quicker. However, when I say it's quicker, I mean like when I click on stuff, it's just like as soon as I let go of the mouse button, it's there. And before, when I would let go of the mouse button and then it would be there. Like it's milliseconds of difference. And if that's important to you, get it. I have to tell you, I've been using the machine now with the i7 9700K, coming directly from daily use of an i5 8400. And it is noticeably quicker, but it doesn't really make any difference. I still type the same speed. I still read the same speed. Windows still starts in the same amount of time. Outlook still opens in the same amount of time. Yes, it's a little bit, it is noticeably quicker, but it's not helping me be more productive. But I do know with that 9700K in there, it should continue to meet my needs for much longer than that 8400 was. And I was rendering some videos on the 8400 using the integrated graphics on the Intel chip. And I rendered another video on the i7 9700K using CyberLink PowerDirector with the integrated graphics. Seemed to take exactly the same amount of time. So I'm going to have to add a discrete graphics card if I want to speed that rendering time up with CyberLink PowerDirector. Going from i5 to i7 made no difference at all. But the computer does seem a tad bit more responsive to my clicks. If anything, it's going to take a little adjustment because I also changed the mouse, and I'm used to kind of using a worn out mouse, and this mouse is a little more sensitive. And sometimes, for some users, changing mouse sensitivity makes it feel to them like their computer is faster. So I don't know what your expectations are. It's a good solid chip. Those chips exist to meet the needs of different people and different budgets. It's impossible for me to tell you. You'll have to make that decision. It will work and everything is the same. The build process is identical to what I'm showing you.